What's up everyone, welcome to a new property portrait from Perfinex, the #1 English-speaking and independent financial planner in Germany. Today with a very special property in Freiberg, Germany. Today we're talking about something very special, student apartments in Freiberg that will be released in the upcoming days. Very exciting, something that we couldn't offer for quite a while, so I'm very happy to share this opportunity with you. Let's talk about the property first. Then we're gonna see a video from on-site, a video from the property manager, and if you want more details, check the landing page in the description. You probably haven't heard of Freiberg before, so here it is. Very close to a B location called Dresden. If you're a regular viewer of our property portraits, you know the drill already. That gray usually means there's too much supply for real estate, yellow means a leveled real estate market, orange, red, dark orange, then we're getting into the A locations. So you can see clearly the people are moving into the big cities in Germany. And Dresden is the second largest city in Saxony with almost 560k inhabitants. A very close second to Leipzig with almost 600k inhabitants, where we've done another property portrait a couple of months ago. So if you like Leipzig, get it? Check out our property portrait we've done before. So Freiberg is directly in the middle between the second largest city in Saxony, Dresden, and the third largest city in Saxony, Chemnitz, which is a great location. So today's property in Freiberg is the perfect example where I tell you to invest all the time in the B and C locations. Why? Because they're still affordable and they offer a very good price to return ratio, much better than the A locations Munich, Frankfurt, Berlin, or Hamburg. Eventually, C locations will become B locations and B locations will become A locations because we have the urbanization going. That's a maybe though. They might increase from C to B or from B to A. I'm not saying all of them will. The good ones will. The property in Freiberg today is very close to my heart because I was born exactly in this village. Props to everybody who's not German and can pronounce the name of the village that I was born in. Good luck! This is a beautiful night shot of the old town of Dresden, where the Elbe, the river, runs through. You can see the Frauenkirche, the church, Residenzschloss, the castle, Semperoper, the opera, Zwinger, the garden. If you haven't been to Dresden, it's definitely worth a visit. The metropolitan area of Dresden is home to almost 800,000 people and it's an economically very dynamic region. Probably the most dynamic region in all of Germany, because since Dresden got its international airport in 2008, there has been a lot of growth happening. Dresden is not just my home, it's also the home of many forward-thinking companies, especially in the technology space. Over the last decades, Dresden has become one of Germany's top leading technology locations. You know, it's always the same story. You have really good technical universities who develop technically smart students, employers are coming to the region, economic growth is happening, more and more money is coming to the region, and real estate prices benefit from that. So we call this today Silicon Saxony. And no, this is not a bad joke of mine. Silicon Saxony is the official network that intends to build Saxony as a national and international hub for technology companies. Its members include Infineon, Intel, Robert Bosch, Fraunhofer Institute, and the 3 technological universities in the region. Chemnitz was just named European Capital of Culture 2025, a designated award by the European Union. This is a big opportunity for Chemnitz to generate great cultural, social, and economic benefits, not just for Chemnitz itself, but also for Freiberg, which is exactly in the middle between Dresden and Chemnitz. And this is the beautiful city center of Freiberg, right in sunset, that can look back at more than 800 years of history in the mining industry. That is quite successful shifted in the recent decades towards a high technology location. The entire city center of Freiberg consists of protected monuments by UNESCO. So Freiberg joins the ranks of the Taj Mahal, the pyramids in Egypt, the Chinese Wall, or Machu Picchu. No wonder that the German economic magazine Capital ranked Freiberg as the second best location to invest in the metropolitan area of Dresden. Capital named Freiberg as the perfect example for an anchor city, a small peaceful village in the middle of an attractive region for real estate investments. So they awarded Freiberg with 5 of 5 golden houses. And apparently Freiberg is home of the oldest university in the world, the highly specialized TU Bergakademie, as well as TU Dresden, TU Chemnitz, Fraunhofer Institute, Max Planck, Helmholtz Institute, and a lot more. So Freiberg sounds like a perfect opportunity to invest in student apartments, doesn't it? You can see these cute little houses that almost feel like vacation homes that offer everything you need. They're just a couple of minutes away from the train station with direct connection to Dresden and Chemnitz. You got groceries, universities, sports, all the students need. Some student apartments come with a balcony, some with a terrace, some with a gallery. We'll see some pictures on the next slide. Prices range from a little over 58,000 euros to a maximum of 75,000 euros. And in the best case scenario, you only need to put up 5.5% of additional purchasing costs, which is the lowest you can go in Germany. So if you have a solid financial situation and 100% financing from a bank is possible, you can start with just a little over 3,000 euros. The property management company is DKI Asset Management, which has more than 25 years of experience managing more than 20,000 flats. Their services include complete management of your property, they find new tenants for you, they do all the accounting work of the property, they support in renovations. So you as the investor, you just need to provide capital, get your return, and can relax. Joining the rent pool that will basically guarantee rent for you is optional this time, and depending on which student apartment you purchase, your rental income could be up to 2,700 euro per year after deductions, after management, and after all the accounting is done. And here's a look inside some of the 408 student apartments that you can invest in, ranging from 58,000 to 75,000 euros, of which you only have to pay 5.5% out of your own pocket for notary and ground tax. Which makes me super excited to share this real estate investment opportunity with you, because we couldn't offer something like this for quite a while. The 408 student apartments range from 24 square meters to 33 square meters, could be 1, could be 1.5, could be 2-room apartments. And some of them come with a terrace, some with a balcony, and some, as you can see on the pictures, with a gallery. If you would like more details on the student apartments and the whole property itself, check the landing page in the description for more details. And if you would like to invest in real estate in Germany, but you're not sure if this is the right one for you, subscribe on YouTube, because we do these property portraits every once in a while. If you would like to see these property portraits before they get released to the public, check the link in the description with a mailing list for early access. And also check the landing page below for more information. And if you want to be extra fast, which might make sense because we expect high demand here, there's also a link for a self-disclosure form that will get you right in front of the line. So you will be one of the first who is able to select an apartment once the whole property is released to the public. And now let's see a promotional video from the property developer directly, with shots right from side, and the video of the property management DKI Asset Management right afterwards. Have fun, guys!